Magandang gabi mga idol. Ang pandigang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng ating sangguniang kabataan ng Barangay San Manuel.
They going to Jenny at number 7 at RJ. May pang nga po kasabit sa ilalim. Di ba nakikita nga po natin cover follow na jersey number 28. Number 28, 11 contact winner and a 2 pito for RJ. Yeah, number 23 by RJ coming at the first free throw. Good for one for RJ. Ayan, shoutout sa mga barangay Bangkaw-Bangkawan. Diyan ang pinanganak sa Bangkaw-Bangkaw. Ayan, shoutout sa mga kabarangay ko ha. Ng mga Bertong Prinsesa. And thank you so much. We have only 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Running score of 24, 24, 30 is spread you by the team of the DCD Sportswear. Motor Pacer Brian Mahina. At ganun po ng ating Lona Charing. Lona Charing, Hunting House, number 14. Kosa! The shooting by 3 points na may Pakosa. El Banana, Eric Magbanwa. Medyo kapusin ng konti. Going to Martinez at stolen, number 14. It's a 7 minutes in the spring, it's spinning. It's good, Pakosa! And the score 24-35. Then Jeric Tagot, high fire! Malaki pa yung man sa Galawan, pero may originality yung ating MVP ng Palawan. And Jeric Tagot! Remaining time. It's a 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 8 seconds to shoot. We have only 5 seconds on the shot line. Then jersey number 9. Pupukul ng takluhan. RJ Gabinete. El Banana Eric. Going to RJ Gabinete. And RJ Gabinete going to the inside. Martinez sumagpan yung makaputin. Talagang mapapasabi sana ng power up. We have only 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. We have only remaining time. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining out of the bounds. Hari na minuto 26 segundo, Choi. 6 minutes and 26 seconds remaining, our second quarter of the game. And number 14. Then Pakosa 540, sintihan Galawan pero RJ Gabinete to the rebound. Then RJ Gabinete, and at number 33, we have only 6 minutes and 8 seconds. RJ! Yan, shoutout sa mga taga-barangay Panatan. RJ Gabinete, good for 2 points. Dahil na minuto yung natitira mga Choy. In 22nd quarter of the game, 28-35 score. We have only 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. At the wing, looking for the teammate number 1, Laksamana. It's a 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. And the jumper. In Gali going to Jerry. At number 7, Jerry Tagot. Sumakay kasi. Martinez. Power up. Then Captain Basketball on jersey number 9. Number 9, illegal contact without and 1 pickle. Time out! Team of Centro Uno, laban dito sa Man's Kitchen. Mapapalaban po yan na sa ating championship game, do or die for under 25. Martinez, then power up, good for 1 point. Then good for 3 points mula sa ating kwentuhan, Laksamana. In 5 minutes and 30 seconds. In a jersey, Kahayat 5-3, good for the team in Syria, Laksamana. 1v1 mula sa RJ, going to the weak side. We have only 10 seconds to shot na. Sumpang malang abutin, traveling violation na tatawagin. They caught for traveling violation, 5 minutes and 21 seconds remaining in our second quarter of the game. In 5 minutes and 18 seconds remaining, RJ Gabinete, great Jeric Tagot, going to Martinez, in a power-up shot, Martinez, power up, 3 points! Di 5 minuto yung natitira mga Choy, and a score of 34-35, 1 point din lang po for team of protection. And jersey number 9, we have only 10 minutes of the shot clock. Then Laksamana, outside jumper, Laksamana, not good. Then number 7 rebound, it's good for 2 points. By Cuyo, di good for 2 points by Cuyo. Siyempre, depensa na Martinez, itatagbog lamang po dyan. 4 minuto 40 segundo. Number 7 for Jeric Dagon. Remaining time 7 at 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. 14 seconds on the shot time. Then RJ Gabinete, 100 at the private DPWH. Number 33, RJ Gabinete. He is shooting 2 points for RJ Gabinete. We have only 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. 23, 30, 36, 37. After 1 point in 41 protection. Going to the weak side. At fake, jumper, pink, dihitin. Pero yung butas na ayaw magpapasok, walang problema. Itong Banana, Eric Magbanwa, going to Martinez. Power option. Power of Martinez, 2 points. Into 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. 1 point in for the team of PCD Sports Red. Lamang na po ng isang putusan. Change favor na po tayo dyan. Number 15, Ibanez. At number 15, Black. To number 13, Akapol. Supang palang abutin. Pero may pang kasabit dyan. They committed for foul. It's a foul jersey number 33 by RJ Gabinete. Legal contact with arm and a 2 free throw. Remaining time, it's a 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. Yan shoutout po sa Dagot Family ha, napagpalang kami po sa Dagot Family Machoy. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining ng ating second quarter of the game for half number 1. The jersey number 13 at running score all 38. Tumatabla sa 48 yung ating talaan. Live na live po tayo dito sa barangay ng San Manuel. We have only minutes and 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Oh! Kung pumasok, accidenting tinana! Good for 2 points! Accidenting tinana pero plakado yung arangkada. At Laksamana yung tatanada. And number 01, Laksamana! All 40 yung ating talaan. At number 7, may Jeric Dagon going to Martinez. Not good for Martinez shot. We have only 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. They made all 40 score. At Ibanez, number 15, pull up J. Number 15, RJ. Going to El Banana. And jersey number 13, stolen. Ibanez, number 15, isa sa mga prime ng mga tagapayers. And Kuya Watapik, lakas. Jeric Dagon, El Banana, Eric Magbanwa. Medyo patay yung puting isa tinana nitong El Banana. Di 2 minuto 40 segundo, pinagkasahan yung kumpensa. Laksamana, 1-on-1 to RJ. RJ Gabinete, number 33. 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining, number 7. Going for the MVP, power up shot, and Martinez. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. In jersey number 1, Laksamana, 5-3, RJ Gabinete. And the stolen by Cuyo, number 7, fake, fade away shot. At dalawang pupusan by Cuyo. Back to for the 2-point shot by Cuyo. And El Banana. And Eric Magbanwa on the go. Looking for the teammate at 2-time MVP. And Jeric Dagon looking for the teammate. Martinez, 5-3, outside. Martinez, not good. I-supply mula dito sa batang Martinez. 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining. Going to Ibanez. And Ibanez, jumper, ball! And Ibanez! Atin sa atin ng Lola Charing lunch. Thank you so much for Lola Charing. We have only 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Isa sa mga tinutuluyan natin dyan. Di kaligtad na kwarto sa Lola Charing ang puntahan nyo. May 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Na ating second quarter. And Jeric Dagon! Good for 2 points sa kawalaan nitong MVP ng Palawan. May 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. May 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining. Our first half. All for foul. Check. Number 15, Martinez, called for foul. And jersey number 15, called for foul by Martinez. Their first personal foul by Martinez. Then a 17 foul. Your team of PCD Sports Red. The number 13, good for 1 point. In prime time press, 44. Isang minuto 19 segundo ng ating second quarter. At atin sa atin na may ingay naman po, walang problema sa ating mamang dinilano. At number 13, good for 1 point, good for 2 points, all 44 score. Martinez, 5-3. Not good for the team in Salia. RJ Gabinete, number 33. And Jeric Dagon, Tungari. Israel Gani, 2 points. points. Martinez na talagang tinatak, ayaw magpabuta. Pero walang problema. We follow jersey number 01 by Laksamana. Then Martinez, 2 free throw. Yan yung talagang tinatak, ayaw magpasapalpal. Pero ito naman sigurado. Itong number 15 by Martinez sa ating 15 good play. The number 15 by number 15, Martinez power up shot. Good for 1 point. The good for 1 point by jersey number 15. Power up, number 15, Martinez. It's a 55 seconds remaining. 48 seconds remaining. De 44-48, number 13, coming to the link side, 1-on-1 mula sa Hazel Gary. 46, 48 at Jeric Diamond, number 7, going to number 15 at Martinez, steal with RJ, pero pinagayaan yung depensa, trying press and foul. Usapang pagkapit, ganyan talaga, basta guwapo yung kinakapitan. Call for foul at jersey number 15, call for pushing foul by Martin, by Ibanez. Number 15 with Sergio Ibanez, call for foul. We have only 29 seconds remaining, 24 seconds on the shot clock. Number 23, going to number 7, at El Panana. Oy, mamatag! Tumawa na lamang po sa kanyang pinasahan.
Kung umabot ka na sa part ng video na ito, baka naman pwedeng pakisubscribe ng ating YouTube channel, Basketballers. At pakibisita na rin po ang ating Facebook page, Brands TV 2.0. Pakipalo na rin po mga idol. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
At lumalamang nga po ng 2 puntos for team of BCD Sportswear at kinakalaban yung tropang fire protection.